Good morning and welcome back to it, guys. The Now Morning Show continues with even more things to add to your calendar because the Tobias Foundation will host their Health and Wellness Day this Saturday, April 12th at Salivia Beach in Tobago. Hear me, Tobago. This morning, we are joined by Mr. Clarence Tobias, the founder, to tell us more about this initiative and how we can be a part. Good morning, Mr. Tobias.
Yes, good morning. Good
Welcome to the
morning.
Now Morning Show, and thank you for creating initiatives that help benefit our health and wellness. Before we go into the
Yeah,
specifics of the event itself, though, could you give us a little bit of insight into what the Tobias Foundation is and what it does?
okay, the Tobias Foundation had started in the year 2012, and our initiative is really based on helping young adults in rural areas and also people of the communities to come out and be active, take part in activities that involve nature and also the surrounding, and also to assist in any sporting development or career enhancing programs that rural areas normally lack because of either facilities or just the know-how as to go about accessing funds and the ability to be a part of things that is not really in the community most times.
Now, when we talk about young adults, are there certain age groups that we look at?
No, we primarily start from as much as you could walk and take care of yourself in a way. When we say young adults, we mean primarily people like maybe people going into adulthood, like 19, like late teenagers into young adults, 19, 20, 21. Those sort of individuals who might be leaving school, not trying to figure out what's the next move to get into the job market, what are the skills needed or necessary for today's developing world. So we assist in stuff like those.
And Clarence, tell me a little bit as to the feedback or the reception you've gotten from that group thus far.
Oh, it's been wonderful. I mean, we've been out actually since 2008, but officially 2012. And the initial start of it was just out of curiosity on my part, just trying to see what's there and how I could get back. Coming from a rural community as in Toco myself, and happened to travel the world through sports, and was given that opportunity primarily by people who believed in something they saw in me that I didn't even know I had. So I was at that point in my life that I'm seeing that same young adults in my community that I was once there. They're not aware of the ability that they possess. So that initiative came about to start to assist, to start to give back, start to raise the awareness and consciousness of young people in my community. And we just, I mean, we blew up. Worked in East Africa, Tanzania, worked up the islands, and we did work up the islands. Places like Haiti, we did work in Haiti, out in New York, Far Rockaway, and Queens. So we've been doing a lot of work all over the world, and it's not a big team, a team of 5 people, and we have been able to accomplish a lot of stuff.
Well, clearly the intention is driving you further than you can imagine. Just 5 people and
Oh
accomplishing
yeah,
so much. We're looking forward to Sunday then, and I noticed that that's probably why there's a special category for past students of Toko Secondary School. Your alma mater, yes?
yeah, yes. The event, the whole entire day, it starts with a 5K run, which we have two major categories, the open category and the category for past pupil of Toko Composite School, now Toko Secondary School. Um, Normally, we used to have a event for a road race for the past students, and there's a little bragging right going on inside there because there are some past students who still believe they're pretty good enough to take on some of us who have done track and field at a professional level. So in that whole initiative, we wanted to bring that camaraderie back, bring that drive back, bring the enthusiasm. You know, the fat guy, the fat guy, the lazy guy, just bring everybody back out and have them participate. Normally, when a race is run, especially in these areas, people look at the guys who will win and decide they're not gonna go because the chances of they are getting a prize is very slim. So we have that category back this year to get people out. And mind you, this is going to be the first of an annual event. This is the first of many more to come. Same concept. And also there's a category where we'll be having special prizes for maybe the youngest participant, the oldest participant. There's also a walking aspect to the event as well. If you're not up for running the entire 5K, you can walk. There's a shortcut that will make it a trick case for you. So you could go through the shortcut, get to the beach on time. To make the aerobics, we have the aerobics burnout will be starting at 8:30 sharp, followed by a mini health fair. We're gonna have the Toko Health Center members present there. They're gonna be doing a lot of testing, blood pressure. We also have some doctors around that are gonna be helping out as well. We also have three dentists on board. They're going to be doing minor tests, but also referrals. So if you do need help, special care, they will give you a referral, and there will be a discounted price given to participants on that day if you do need extensive work in the future.
Sounds fantastic. You're bringing everything into the Salivia area. That's great. Is there, though, any
Yes.
sort of registration that's necessary in advance?
Yes, of course. Good question. Yes, a contribution to the non-alcoholic bar. We can just ask for anything you want to bring, anything you want to bring. If it's a Malta, a Vitamalt, any stuff like that, just contribute that to the bar. There can be free drinks, free foods, random cash prizes. All events gonna have cash prizes in it with a gift to go with it. And there's gonna be also, as I said before, just random prizes for random. I'm not gonna give out the secrets too much, but they're gonna be random prizes. So I'm encouraging each and everyone to come out. Just come out and have a beach fun day. And even for spectators, people who just normally will come to Solibia Beach on a weekend to have fun, there will be stuff for you to participate in. You don't necessarily have to be from Togo. There's going to be a lot of people, friends and family going to be coming from abroad, from out in Port of Spain area to participate in this event already. We're going to welcome each and everyone into it.
And in that case, Clarence, we appreciate the endeavors that you and your small team are doing through this foundation, and we wish you the best of luck for your event on Sunday.
Yes, thanks very much. Just a correction, slight correction. It's on the 12th. The 12th is Saturday.
Sorry, that would be Saturday. My mistake
I
there.
don't want them straight up the day after.
I mean, but they could come for the weekend and they'll be safe.
Of course.
Making sure that everybody is headed to Togo to make sure that they partake in the Health and Wellness Day hosted by the Tobias Foundation. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Tobias.
Yes, thanks a lot for having me. Have a blessed one.
You too. Of course.